Okay, so today is the last day of summer break for me. I know some of you have already started school. Some of you have a few more days, probably maybe a few more weeks. But for me, I'm not just going to a new school, I'm going to a new district. From 259 to Clearwater. From Wichita to beyond a suburb of Wichita, like more than a suburb. Suburb is partially country, like I've already told you this, but we're moving out into a big field. And I'm going to the open house school today, so it has a big field in my backyard. And my dad might consider getting a goat. But, okay, let's just start with this. And Morse code. So, you might want to screenshot this. But, you see all this information? Look, A is a dot line, E is dot, J is probably one of the hardest, dot, line. But then again, one of these, they're not the easiest. And then, I wonder how you make the minus symbol. Oh god. So, this is all the Morse code information. So, this you can type things in. With this, you can type things in Morse code. Look, see? One dot is just E. Dot, then dot line is A. And then line is T. E. Oh, I just spelled eat. So, and then with this, you can type things in and then it'll translate it into Morse code. At 5, it's almost the nicest time of the day. Just another okay, it's the nicest time of the day because if you haven't noticed, it's 4:20. So just let me do my quick things. Let me just do my quick things. Oh man, it's 4:21. Oh man, oh it's 4:22. Oh man, oh. Oh god, sorry about that. I was high. I mean, what? I don't do drugs at 4:20. Okay. So, I want to attempt to type in 69. Alright, that's nice. Dot, line. How is... Okay. Sorry about that. Nice. So, the main video. Hey, wait a second. So, I'm going to attempt to write that. Okay, so enough with the Morse code. We can find something else to do now. Now, in the depths of Google Play, we shall find something cheap and cringy that I will delete after finishing the video. Okay, just looking through. So, okay, so I found the game. Oh boy. Let's hope this is a good game. Oh, jeez. So, we should probably start somewhere with weak armies, while you have a strong army, so you can be very imperial. Countries split in two does not sound like a good idea. Maybe I will try. Wait, what's this? See this country? I thought that was a part of France, you know, like France. What is this? Why can't I? Yeah, see, I thought, you know, like, yeah, Argentina. I'm gonna start out as Argentina. So, oh boy, silly countries. Okay, so I already won Chile. Okay. You can't. So this country is trying to fully annex me, which is bad. So since this is trying to fully annex me, so can I like doesn't this game is glitched? Okay, so I think I should attack this country. So yes, it appears here that this floor is made out of floor, and I will come back. I will come back when it starts working and I have all of South America. Now I own all of South America. So, we're gonna move on to Panama. And yes, lots of my territory is currently under attack. Who is in this territory? So, really, Algeria? So, I gotta end the video.